Hi guys, I just got the Legion Y7000 laptop. I got this from Costco for $999, which I think is a pretty good price for this laptop. It has the latest 8th gen Core i7 CPU, and it has a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive, as well as a 256 GB SSD, and then it also comes with the Nvidia GTX 1060 and 16 gigs of RAM. So pretty good configuration for the price. It's a 15-inch laptop. Got a very nice minimalistic packing with the Legion branding up front, and on the sides again more Legion branding, and something in Chinese which I'm not sure what it is, and nothing in the back at all, and just the configuration. So good minimalistic packaging. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Comes in a lot of nice foam packaging, very heavy duty. And this is the laptop itself in a nice protective cover. Well, look at that. The top looks like metal aluminum. Looks very nice. It looks better than in my hand than what it looks like in the video. Gives a very nice premium feeling to hold it. The bottom is plastic, but it is of the same gray metal color that the top is made of. So very nice build, and an edge-to-edge display, nice looking display, and a nice feeling keyboard, nice keys. The webcam is at the bottom, which is something that I don't really like too much, but I think they went for the thin bezel look, so they had to move the camera at the bottom. But wow, I'm impressed by the build quality. I didn't expect it to be this good. It is very good indeed. I like the build quality a lot. Nice big vents, and let's look at the port. One USB port in the side. Nice big vents. Then we got a USB 3, mini HDMI, USB, LAN port, a lock, and then I'll have to read the manual what this one is. Plenty of ports, and then again a USB. So 1, 2, and 3 USB ports and 1 USB-C ports, which is pretty good. Let's see what else comes in the box. So again, a lot of foam packaging, which is pretty good. And then you got the power brick. 170 watts power brick. It's not that big. I've seen bigger. So good, decent. Not that heavy either. We got some documentation. Pretty minimal again. And I don't think there's anything else in there. Yeah, nothing, they're empty. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and boot this up, set it up, take it for a spin. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.